Salam dan bahagia. Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Good
Morning,
morning,
Miss.
Miss.
Are you happy
Salam.
today? How are you?
Very good, Miss. What about you?
I'm fine, Miss. How about you?
Fine too. Okay, nice to meet you again in this meeting, right? Okay, before we start our meeting, let's press start first. Amin. Okay. Okay, first, me share screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes, Miss.
Yes,
Yes, Miss.
Miss.
Okay. Today, this is a third meeting, right? Okay, this meeting we will learn about job accounting. Learning outcome of this material, the students are able to explain and analyze English for accounting regarding jobs in accounting materials. And then the first, before we continue for the material today, okay, get ready brainstorming first, yeah. There are two questions. Okay, the first question about what jobs do accountant do? Who will answer this question?
Me?
Okay, Nanda, please. Time
Okay,
is
Miss. Okay, the first question. I'll answer contents to a variety of jobs such as bookkeeping and then internal auditing, management accounting, and financial advising, to name just a few, I guess.
okay. Thank you. Wah, complete for your answer. Okay, there is other question.
Can I try, Miss?
Okay, okay, Mas Rizal.
I think accountant do many jobs such as financial statement, budgeting, forecasting, then tax planning or compliance, then internal control, and financial advisor. That's all, Miss.
Okay, thank you for your answer. Is this a great answer? Okay, next, continue. For the second question, what are the educational requirements for accountants? Do you know what educational requirement for accountants?
Miss.
Okay,
What the additional requirement? The requirement to sit CPA exam in Indonesia or other countries is generally a 4-year university degree.
okay, thank you for your answer. Okay, there are many jobs for accountants, right? Okay, and then also for educational requirement, you must have CPA certificate. This is a certificate for international accounting. Okay, next. This is this is there is a reading text about accounting is a great career choice. Okay, there are many jobs for accountants, right? Okay, who will read this text?
Can I try, ma'am?
Okay, Bisna, please.
Okay. We'll read this slide. Here are many jobs available for accountants. Here are a few. The first is bookkeepers. Work in a company back office. They record everything the organization earn or spends. And the second is tax accountants. Help their client fill out tax returns. Internal auditors check their employer's record for accuracy, and budget analysis manage a company's financial plans. Next is management accountants are business supervisors. They study business operation and help maximize profits. And next, the last is financial advisor, help people make smart investment. The highest paying position require a CPA license, but jobs are also available for students. Many firms hire them as a trainees or file clerk. That's all, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, for this text, we know there are many jobs. There are bookkeepers, tax accountants, internal auditors, budget analysts, management accountants, and the last financial advisor. Okay, from these jobs, who want to be you? Do you want to be accountant jobs?
Maybe financial advisor, Miss.
Okay, this is maybe your interest, right? Financial
Yes.
advisor. And then in financial advisor, you must have a CPA license. Okay, after this, you study in accountant as accountant, you must uh you must have a certificate. So if you have certificate, you must ini what is it? In international accountant ya. So after you have a CPA license, you must uh, apply job in some international company or Indonesian company, something like that. Okay, for this material text reading, there are any question?
Clear
For
enough.
me, clear, Miss. Enough.
Okay.
Clear and enough.
Clear? We can continue. Okay. Okay, this is
All
there.
right, Miss.
Okay, there is a exercise, right? You must match the words with the definition. There are a word about a job in this is the definition. What job in content, and the other about definition about the job in accountants. Okay, okay. From of you, who will answer the first question?
Rahman, Miss.
Okay, number one, Rahman.
Okay, blah blah blah. Budget analyst. C. A person who reviews financial plans.
Okay, that's right. Correct answers. Okay, next, number two. Will answer?
Yes,
Number
ma'am.
two. Okay, Dalindra.
So for number two, bookkeeper is a person who records transaction payment.
Okay, that's right. Correct answers. Thank you. Okay, next. Number three. Will answer number three?
Oh yeah, I try again, ma'am.
Okay, Dalindra.
So number three, trainee is a person who is learning a new job. D.
Yes, again, correct answers. Good job. Okay. Number four.
Me, Miss.
Okay, Nanda.
Therefore, I think internal auditor is a person who checks records for accuracy.
Yes, that's right. Okay, and then the last question, number five. Will answer number 5?
Miss. A tax accountant is a person who fills out tax forms. A.
Yes, that's correct answer too. Thank you for your answer. Oke, continue ya. Oke, next exercise. You fill in the blank with the correct words and phrases from the word banks. Okay, there are word blanks: back office, client, uh, file clerks, firms, and then TPA. You fill word bank below in 5 statement below on and on screen right. Okay, number 1. We'll answer number 1.
Can I try, Miss?
Okay.
Okay, number 1, Steve needs a blah 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 license to get a higher paying jobs. I guess the answer is CPA. Steve needs a CPA license to get a higher paying job.
Okay, that's correct answers.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, number 2. Will answer?
Me, Miss.
Okay, Wisna.
Number 2, John is in accounting school. He also worked as a file clerk.
Yes, that's correct answers. Okay, number 3.
Nanda, Miss.
Okay, Nanda.
Most bookkeepers work in the back office.
Yes, correct answer too. Number 4.
Me, Miss. Nimas, Miss.
Mas.
Accountants who advertise on TV get more, I think, clients.
Okay, that's correct answer too. The last number 5. Will answer number 5.
Fabila, Miss.
Okay.
Some accountants work alone. Others work for a firm.
Yes, that's correct answer. Okay, for this exercise, there is any question?
No, ma'am.
No,
Okay.
Miss. It's clear.
Okay. There is no question. We can continue. Okay, there is reading text again. Okay, there is a reading text about the accounting profession categorized. Okay, we'll read this text.
Me, Miss.
Rahman,
Nimas.
Oh, Nimas. Okay, please.
Okay, may I read? So, the accounting profession is generally divided into 2 categories. The first is private accounting. The private accounting is have a license, strict to the state's rules, join an accounting firm, re-employed by a business. Thank you, Miss. And the second will read by Rahman.
Okay, Rahman, please.
okay. Public accountants are subject to strict government regulations and requirements which are determined by each individual state where a license is granted. Private accountants, on the other hand, require no licenses. They perform tasks which have been determined by their employer. Accounting fields exist that specialize in very specific areas of a business. The examples are auditing, budgetary, tax, social, cost, managerial, financial, and international.
Okay, thank you. Okay, we have discussed about accounting profession categories. There are two. The first one about private accounting and the second one about public accountant. Okay, private accountant, you know, uh, they the employment us by business, right? And then the public accountant practice as individual or member uh, of an accounting firm. And then for the second one about the public accountants. Public accountants, uh, they must subject to strict government regulation and requirement must by each individual statement, and they also have a licensee. And then the private accountants and no licensee, and the public accounting must have licensee. This is the differences about private accounting and public accounting. Okay, for the accounting profession categories, there is any question?
No, Miss. It's clear.
Okay, clear? Okay, we can continue. Okay, okay. There is a exercise, right? Okay, the exercise about classify the characteristic below into the categories of accounting profession. Okay, see the example. Okay, this is a public. There are a public accountant and private accountants. Okay. Okay. The example public accountants are employed by a business, and the others there is ini what is it? Some statement about each profession. You must answer the correct choice ya. The correct choice you uh, from the review reading text. Okay, who will answer for this question, for this exercise? For the public accountants, who will answer?
Can I try, Miss?
Okay, Nanda.
Public accountants have a license.
Yes, right. And then?
Strict to the state's rule.
Yeah,
Strict to the state's rule, Miss.
Yes. And then?
And then re-employed by a business and join an accounting firm.
Okay. There is other answer? I think enough ya, clear ya.
Enough, Miss.
Okay, right ya.
Enough, Miss.
Okay. Next, for the private accountant.
May I, Miss? May I try?
Okay, please, Nimas.
Okay, the private accountants have a license and then strict to the state's rule and join an accounting firm, re-employ by a business. I think that's enough. That's it.
Okay, thank you, Nimas, for your answer. There is other question?
No.
Okay, yes, that's right. For private accountants, they have license strict to state rules, join an accounting firms, and re-employ by business, right? And then, okay. Okay, before we discuss about the tax accounting, okay, I will ask you some of ask you. Who will uh do you want to be for accounting jobs, and then why you choose this? Or you can summarize for this material. What do you get from this meeting? Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, there is any question first before we discuss about tax accounting after this meeting? No?
For me, no, Miss.
For
Oh,
me,
ma'am.
no, Miss.
Clear?
Clear.
Inshallah,
Miss.
Miss.
Maybe if I have a question, I will chat you on WhatsApp group.
Okay, thank you. Okay, if there is any question, we can discuss about tax accounting jobs, right? Okay, first, choose one of question below. There is three question, right, in your screen. The first one about should you need a university education to become an accountant? And then do companies expect too much from their employees? And then the last about what is your accounting ambition? Okay, you choose one of three questions below. And then after this, you write essay. Okay, the writing must be between 65 until 400 word longs. And please note that some programs convert differently than other, like iWord or Google Scholar, or you must Microsoft Office, ya, Microsoft Office Word or BPS. And then submit your essay on Cipedar maximal 5 days from now in meeting 3. Okay. For this task, there is any question?
I think clear, Miss.
No, Miss.
No. Okay. If no, Dimas, you choose number 1, 3, or 2. What which you choose for this question? For your essay.
Pardon, Miss. Can you repeat your question?
Okay, I will maybe ask one by one. You choose question number 1, 2, or 3. Okay. On my data, for my data. Okay. Nimas, you choose question
Yes,
number.
Miss. Maybe number 2.
Okay, company expects, ya. Okay. You must write essay, right? For this your own statement. Okay.
All right, Miss.
Okay. Next, Nanda.
Yes, Miss. I choose the third questions, Miss.
Okay, about your accounting ambition.
Yes.
Okay. You must essay, right, about your accounting ambition, ya.
Okay, Miss.
And then next, Wisna. You choose number?
I will choose number 2. Same with Nimas, Miss.
If you have same topic, but do not chat, ya. each other.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, next, Fabila.
I think I choose the first question, Miss.
Okay, university education ya. Okay. Okay, next, Danendra.
I will SMS Fabiola, choose number 1. So you need university education to become an accountant.
Ambit Fabila ya.
Hmm.
Okay, and then next, Rahman.
Yeah, SMS Danendra, Miss. The first question.
Okay. Next, okay, the last Rizal ya.
Yeah, miss. I guess I'll choose the third one, miss. What is your accounting ambition?
Okay, thank you for your choice ya. So don't forget, you write essay on your word ya, your own word. So don't cheat from other friend ya. Okay, from this material, there is any question from this meeting?
I guess it's clear.
For me, no, Miss.
No,
Okay.
Miss, it's
No, ma'am.
clear.
Okay, if there is no question for the complete reference, you can scan barcode here. So this is you can read itu by yourself. Okay, I can close my screen. Okay, if there is any question, we can close our meeting.
All right, Miss.
Thank you for attendance this meeting. Have a nice day. Okay.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss. Have a nice
Have a
day
nice day
too.
too.
Miss. Have a nice day.
Okay, before we close, let's press start first ya.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, see you next meeting. Don't forget the tax ya. Submit on Sibeda.
All right, Miss.
Thank you, miss.
See you.
Thank you, Miss.
Salam.
Miss.
Salam.